What's up, guys? We have this Freightliner here, 18-wheeler. 2005, he got a system put in, and it's time for it to be swapped out. Not only because he wants more, but the amplifiers aren't working now, and the wires is less than. It's just not right. So we're going to change it all out. We're also going to be adding a power inverter, so he can plug in things like you would at your house in a 120 volt application. He already has, there's two 6x9s up there, two 6x9s here, a 6x9 here, and a 6x9 here. We're gonna leave those in the location that he already has them, but we're gonna install some Phoenix Golds because he's got all mix matched ones. In the front, we're gonna do these Infinities here. That was his choice, not ours. He already has this little kicker here. We're gonna build a custom speaker box and place it underneath his bed there. We're gonna run a Memphis Audio PRX 700.5, which is a 5-channel amplifier to run the whole system. We're going to install Stinger oxygen-free cable throughout the entire 18-wheeler here. And that's it. We're going to get it done. Going to get it done the right way. Stay tuned.